What's up guys? So it's already 2:30 a.m. So this is it. This is the first day of my Indochina travel. So papunta na tayo ngayon ng airport and we're here. We're prepared. So our first stop will be in Thailand. So see you. Bye.
When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust, and we won't ever get enough. They don't know. They don't know.
So we're here now at the departure area, waiting for our flight at 6:20 a.m.
In your eyes, I put my trust. Baby, you're my all-time favorite.
Again, welcome over to flight 5J9292 Bangkok.
For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket.
Alright, thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Baby, you're my all-time favorite drug. Let them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know. We'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window.
This is the Khao Road. We just checked in our hotel in a Khao Holiday Hotel. So in a while, magla-lunch lang siguro ako and then iikot na ako ng Bangkok. And then babalik ako dito sa hotel and then by tonight siguro lalabas ako ng Khao Road or to check. And then tomorrow I have an arranged tour via Klook. So medyo maaga yon, so dapat maaga din tayo matulog. Magla-lunch muna ako ngayon and then I'll go to Wat Pho Grand Palace and some of the temples nearby. And then siguro try din natin yung mga street foods nila kasi dun sikat naman ang Thailand with their street foods. And I'll be staying here for 3 days and after that I'll be going to Siem Reap in Cambodia. Nag-start tayo mag-ikot-ikot. Papunta tayo yung Grand Palace. And then Wat Pho, and then Wat Arun. Wat Arun is across the river. So kailangan natin tumawid ng river.
When the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies. The movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. Good as gold, got this on lock, and they can't ever make us stop it. Come take my hand, get on this rocket. They don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero.
How much this worth? How much?
50.
50? So here at Wat Pho is 100 entrance.
When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs.
จะลงกว่าอย่างนี้มาอ่ะ
The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. You and me, we shiny dust. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride into the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies.
อินทรีย์จากแก้วเป็นเกสีของวานอนคาถาเพชรเป็นคอต่อถึงหาง
So yun guys, pabalik na tayo ng hotel. Tapos na yung ikot natin sa Wat Pho and Grand Palace. So, nakakapagod. Ang init.